Hey guys, Victor here from Chicago EMT Training. I wanted to do a quick breakdown on the commercial tourniquet. This specifically is the CAT 7, the Combat Application Tourniquet 7th generation made by North American Rescue. You can pick it up from their website for $29.99. It's one of those things that you should have in your bag wherever you go, depending on where you are. If you feel like gun violence is a thing, this is one of those things that it doesn't cost you a thing. It might cost you something to train and learn how to use it, but to carry it, you don't need a concealed carry license or a FOID to carry this. So if you want to go the extra mile, they even have holsters that can hold the tourniquet. So today we're going to talk about how to stage it, which when I say staging it, it means that it should be ready to go. There should be a big loop that you can quickly apply on a limb if you need to. And we're also going to learn how to apply it. So to stage it, it doesn't come like this when it's brand new, right? So definitely when you get it out of its plastic wrapping and unravel it, okay? Now I want you to hold the buckle and rest the buckle over your non-dominant hand, and the windlass and the buckle can be facing you. You're going to take this strap and you're going to feed it into the buckle. Now the million-dollar question is how far down do we go? How far down? And I want you to visualize the lower half of the tourniquet from here to here and to here, all being the same length, okay? And when they're the same length, go ahead and press down the Velcro. Now after that, I want you to find the middle of the tourniquet, which is right here, and you're going to fold it on itself, just like that. Okay. Now to finish it off, you want to make sure that the windlass is secured on one side and that this time strap is on only one half of the tourniquet, so it's ready to go. And now you put it in your bag, you put it in your holster, and this tourniquet is staged, ready to go. And let's say we actually had an injury to my arm. I would grab the tourniquet from the red tab right here, and I would whip it down. And now there's this big loop, all right? Let's say my left arm is injured. There's this big loop. I'm going to apply it over my injured arm. Now, it does matter what direction you do it in. You want the red tab facing the center of your body, because if it was facing outside of your body, it's harder to cinch down that Velcro strap, and I'll show you right now. So you want it towards the center of your body. So apply it over the injured arm, 2 to 3 inches above the injury. And if you're under active gunfire, then high and tight, because you don't have time to expose the injury. So high and tight is definitely a-okay. So towards your body, because it's a lot easier to pull towards you. Go ahead and secure the Velcro. And now there's not as much slack in here. There's no wiggle room, but you want to finish it off by securing the windlass until bleeding has stopped, until hemorrhage has been stopped. Now after that, you're going to bring the rest of that strap over just to lock it in, and then bring the time strap on top of that. You're going to mark the time you apply the tourniquet. It's pretty much good for 2 hours. So make it to a trauma center within the 2 hours, and that person will still have their limb intact after surgery has occurred. If you guys have any other questions or comments, leave them in the section below. We do have a section on improvised tourniquets, which, if the first tourniquet was not doing its job, then apply a second tourniquet directly proximal to that first tourniquet. And we do have a video for that linked above. Okay? Well, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. All right?